Did you know the first computer virus was created in 1983? It was called the Elk Cloner, and it spread through floppy disks. A teenager named Richard Skrenter wrote it as a prank, and it infected Apple II computers. The virus displayed a poem every 50th time the computer was booted, but it didn't cause major harm. In fact, the Elk Cloner was more of a curiosity than a threat, showing how early software creators played around with computer security. Today, we're dealing with much more sophisticated malware, but Elk Cloner remains a quirky piece of digital history.